In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Maryland. If you've received a Maryland traffic citation and you want to handle it online by paying the full fine, this process is fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to go, what to look for, and a few important things to pay attention to as you move through the payment page. Start by going to the official Maryland Courts website. Once you're on the site, look for the traffic-related section that explains your options for responding to a ticket. For this video, we're focusing on the option to pay the full fine and plead guilty. This is the selection you'll want if you've decided not to contest the citation and simply want to complete the payment online. After you locate that option, click on Pay Online. This will take you to the online payment system. Before entering anything, take a moment to carefully read the information on the page. This part is important because it explains what paying the fine means and confirms that you are choosing to resolve the citation by paying it in full. Reading through these details can help you avoid mistakes and make sure this is the correct option for your situation. Once you've reviewed the information, check the box confirming that you have read the information above. After that, click Continue to move forward. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter your traffic citation number. Type it in carefully exactly as it appears on your ticket, then enter the last name associated with the citation. Make sure the spelling matches your ticket so the system can locate the correct record without any issues. After entering the citation number and last name, click Continue to Payment. At this point, you'll be taken to the payment stage where you can proceed with finishing the transaction online. As a helpful tip, before you begin, it's a good idea to have your traffic ticket in front of you so you can quickly reference the citation number and verify the spelling of your last name. Also, double-check every entry before continuing, since even a small typo can delay the process or prevent the citation from being found. That's all it takes to get started with paying a traffic ticket online in Maryland. Follow each screen carefully, read the information provided, and complete the payment using the details from your citation.